inverse of next number. ઓકે, શું કરતા હતા સબટ્રેક્શનમાં? જે સબટ્રેક્શન એ સાઇન હોય એને એડિશનના ઓપરેશનમાં કન્વર્ટ કરે. બટ when only if you convert the next number in the inverse of given number. Inverse means changing the sign. So let's start here. Exercise 6.3 question number 1. 35 minus 20. So we need to convert the subtraction example into addition. 35 as it is, convert this into addition by writing the inverse of 20. Plus 20 is given, inverse of 20 is minus 20. Now one number is positive, one number is negative. Subtraction of number 35 minus 20, that is 15. And sign of greater number, which one is greater? 35, and 35 is positive, so answer is also positive. Now next one, 72 minus 90. So here 72. Subtraction converted to addition by writing the inverse of 90, that is minus 90. Okay. Now 72 is a positive, 90 is negative. One positive, one negative, subtraction of number. So here we will get 18. And which one is bigger in 72 and 90? 90 is greater and sign of 90 is negative. So answer has minus sign. Now next one, minus 15 minus minus 80. So here minus 15 as it is, subtraction become addition, and minus 18 inverse is plus 18. Now one number is negative, one number is positive. So minus 15 plus 18, so subtraction 18 minus 15, 3. Bigger number is 18, sign is plus. You can write or skip the sign of addition. Clear? Now next one, minus 20 minus 30. So here again we will convert the sign. Minus 20, subtraction become addition by writing the inverse of 30 is minus 30. Now minus 20 and minus 30. Both number are negative, so subtract add the number. If two signs are same, add the number. So minus 20 minus 30, that is 33, but negative because both number are negative. Bigger number is 20, sign of 20 is minus. Now next one, 23 minus minus 12. So again 23, subtraction become addition, inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. Now 23 is positive, 12 is positive, add the number. So 5, 3. Sign of greater number is 35. Here 23 is greater and sign is 30. Now minus 32 minus minus 40. So again minus 32 as it is, subtraction become addition, inverse of minus 40 is plus 40. Now 32 is negative, 40 is positive, subtract the number. So 40 minus 32, that is 8. Now which one is bigger? 40, and sign of 40 is plus, so answer is plus 8. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. So here first is given minus 3 plus minus 6 blank, minus 3 minus minus. So here we need to write the greater than or less than sign. For that we need to simplify both left hand side and right hand side. If we simplify this side and that side, we will get one number and it will be easy to compare the number. So let's simplify both sides. Here addition is there. Both signs are negative, means add the number. So minus 3 plus minus 6 will give minus 9. Here minus 3 minus minus 6, so minus 3. Convert subtraction into addition, minus 6 become plus 6. Now one number is negative, one number is positive. Okay, so subtract the number. 6 minus 3 is 3. Which one is greater? Sign of greater number, that is plus 3. Now which one is greater? Minus 9 or plus 3? Always positive number is greater, so we can write minus 9 is less than plus 3. So here there will be less than sign. Now next one, again simplify the both sides. Minus 21 minus minus 10, so we can write minus 21 minus 10. Now convert this subtraction into addition. Inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. One number is negative, other number is positive. Subtract the number 21 minus 10. That is 11. Now which one is bigger number? 21, and sign of 21 is negative. So answer is minus 11. Now on right side, both number are negative and addition of that. So if two signs are same, add the number, that is 2, 4. Sign of greater number is minus 42. Now which one is greater, minus 11 or minus 42? As we learn the comparison of integers in which two signs are of negative sign, then which one will be greater? The number with the lower value. So here 11. So we can write minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So here there will be greater than sign between this. Now third part. 45 minus 11 blank 57 plus minus 4. So here we will simplify this side. 45 subtraction become addition. Inverse of 11 is plus 11. Minus 11 inverse is plus 11. Now both sign are same. 45 is at plus, 11 is plus. So add the number. So it is 56 with plus sign. Now write 57 plus minus 4. 57 is plus, minus 4 is negative. One positive, one negative, subtraction of number. So we will get 53. Sign of bigger number, that is 57. So answer is plus 53. Now which one is greater, 56 and 53? 56 is greater, so that will be greater than sign into the blank. Now fourth part, minus 25 minus 42. So we will convert subtraction into addition. When we convert, only if there is a subtraction. Addition हो तो आपने change करता नहीं. So here plus 42 minus that become a plus 42. Now one number negative, one number is positive. So find the difference. 42 minus 25, that will give 17. Now which number is bigger? 42, and sign of 42 is plus, so it is plus 17. Now on right side, minus 42, here minus become plus, 25 become plus 20. Now subtraction of number, minus 42 plus 25, because one is negative, one is positive, subtract the number, again it will give 17. Okay, now which one is sign? That is of bigger number, minus 14. Now plus 17 and minus 17. Which one will be greater? Always positive. So here that will be greater than. Now next question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So here first one is minus 8 plus blank will give 0. Okay. Whenever if we learn about the inverse, additive inverse. So if we add the number with a different sign, as we learn additive inverse. Additive inverse means one negative, additive inverse is plus 3. And if we add minus 3 plus 3, it gives 0. So if we add additive inverse of minus 8, that is plus 8, answer gives 0. 13 plus blank gives 0. What is the additive inverse of 13? It is minus 13. So 13 plus minus 13 will give 0. 12 plus minus 12, that is again give 0. Now next one, minus 4 plus blank will give minus 12. So here you need to write some values here and it will give minus 12. So let's check. If we write positive answer, for example if we write 10 here, okay, you need to check it with the different values. So if we write 10 here, minus 4 plus 10 will give plus 6 and we need answer in negative. So we need to take the negative number. Let's take minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. But we need minus 12. So let's add minus 8 here. So now minus 4 minus 8 will give minus 12. Clear? Now next one. Blank minus 15 is minus 10. Here answer is negative. So let's take one number. Here if we take 5, then 5 plus minus 15 will give minus 10, because 15 minus 5 is 10. Bigger number is 15, so it is minus 10. You need to write the different value in a blank, and from that you get the answer. Now exercise 4, question example 4, that is find first minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. We already solved this kind of example in which we need to change subtraction sign into addition. So here minus 7 as it is, minus become plus, minus 8, minus become plus, 25 become plus 20. Now number with the same sign. Here this is the subtraction sign, so convert it into addition. 8 sign is positive, become minus. Okay, whenever there is a subtraction, then only you need to change the sign. So minus 8 minus 7, that is 15, but minus 15 plus 20. Now one number is negative, one number is positive. What we need to do? Subtract the number. 25 minus 15, that is 10. Bigger number is 25. Sign of 25 is plus. So answer is plus 10. Minus 30 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So what we need to do? Change this negative sign into addition. Minus 30 plus 32 plus minus 8 plus minus 1. Now number with the same sign. 13 minus 8 and minus 1. So group it. Minus 13 plus minus 8 plus minus 1 plus 13. Now add the number. So 9, 22, but negative plus 32. Now one number is negative, one number is positive. So subtract the number. 32 minus 22, that is 10. Bigger number is 32, so answer is plus 10. Clear? Now next one. Minus 7 minus 8 plus minus 9. So here all numbers are with the same sign. You can see minus 7, minus 8 and minus 19. So directly add the number. 7 plus 8, that is 15. 15 plus 90 is 105. Answer is negative sign, because all numbers are negative. Now next one. 50 minus become plus. Minus 40 become plus 40. Here minus become plus and plus minus to become plus. Now all numbers are positive. So add the number. 50 plus 40, 90 plus 2, 92. Sign of greater number, that is plus 90. So this way you can solve the examples. Let's solve some extra example. So here numbers are first minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1. So as we learn the concept of subtraction, convert the subtraction into addition by writing the inverse of next number. So here minus 3 as it is. This is the subtraction, so convert it into addition by writing inverse of minus 4, that is plus 4. Minus become plus, inverse of minus 2 become plus 2, plus 1 as it is. Now number with the same sign. Plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. So minus 3. Add the number. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So that is plus 7. Now one negative, one positive subtraction of number. So that is 7 minus 3, 4. Sign of greater number is 7. So answer is plus. This is plus. So answer is also plus. Now next one. Minus 6 minus 8 plus 1 minus 9. Minus 1. Now here you can consider this a minus sign to 8, or you can change the sign. બંને રીતે example થાય. When you learn in the 7th standard, then you can directly write it as a minus 8 and minus 1. But here in your textbook only the concept of additive inverse is given. So we will solve the example using that. So here minus become plus, 8 is positive become minus 8, plus 1, this is minus, so become plus, plus 1 become minus 1. Now number with the same sign. Minus 6, minus 8, minus 1. So 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. That is So minus 15 plus 1, that is minus 40, because bigger number is 15 and sign of 15 will be in our answer. Now next one, 8 minus 9 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. If this kind of question is given, you can directly add this number. Why? Because this is minus 9 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, આ રીતે કરું તો પણ ચાલે. Here what is the sign of 8? Plus, and remaining numbers are negative, so we can write 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16 plus 1 17. So it is minus 17. Now you can write 8 minus 17, or you can write minus 17. Now one negative, one positive, so it is minus 9. Or you can write this step as 8 plus minus 9 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 1. Then it is also correct. We convert this negative into addition. 9 inverse is minus 9. Convert this negative into addition. 3 inverse is minus 2. Convert this negative into addition. 4 inverse is minus 4. And 1 minus 1, subtraction becomes addition. You can solve this example in the both way. Okay. Now next one, 8 minus minus 3 minus 5 plus minus 1. So here what we need to convert? This one and this. So 8 plus plus 3. If you leave minus 5 as it is, plus minus 1. Okay. Let's change the sign. Minus 5 become minus 5, minus become plus. So now these two numbers are with the same sign and these two numbers are with the same sign. So 8 plus 3, 11, that is plus, and 5 plus 1 minus 6. Now 1 positive, 1 negative, subtract the number. 11 minus 6 is 5. Sign of greater number, that is plus 5. Now next one, again we will change the sign. So 18 plus plus 4 plus minus 1, minus become plus, 6 become minus 6. Always in the question you need to find out the negative sign. Okay, and then change the negative sign. So here what are the number with the same sign? These two number and these two number. So 18 plus 4, 22, that is plus. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Now subtraction of number, that is 15, but it is plus. Okay. Now here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 6. You can write minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 1 plus minus 6. So all numbers are negative, so directly add the number. 3 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12, but answer is 9. Here, today in your homework, there are some examples you need to solve on number line. But be careful, some examples are of addition and some examples are of subtraction. અમુક example addition ના છે, અમુક subtraction ના છે. એટલે number line ઉપર addition અને subtraction બંનેનો concept revise કરીને આ example solve કરો.